Hey everyone, it's Denise again, and I'm showing you today how I make my healthy pancakes. So first you're gonna have 1/2 cup of wheat flour, a 1/3 cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can use any type you want. I'm using turbinado, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then a teaspoon of cinnamon for flavor. Mix, yay! Okay, 2/3 cup of milk, and then an egg, and then 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Mix. Okay, and then you want to set your heat to like medium heat. And then I'm just using like a soup scoop. Just want to make some like little circles. You cook each side about 2-3 minutes until you see little bubbles. You can flip them over. So yeah. Maybe like a minute on the other side. Yeah, okay. A minute on the other side. Yeah, that's what I did. And then I'm just gonna put them over to the side, and I'm gonna make a stack of them. So yeah, I'm gonna make some more. Just repeat. Super easy. And yeah, it makes about like 10 to 12. This recipe makes like 10 to 12. And then I'm gonna top it with bananas, strawberries, maple syrup, and yes, so this is what the final product looks like. Tastes really good. It's really good. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. It's quite a filling breakfast though. So, oh yeah, also okay. That's my smoothie. You can go back and look at the recipe. I also, make